Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can redeem Spotify gift cards. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top right corner, here you're gonna find your notifications. Right here, you're gonna find your friend activity, and here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you can access your account. You can go to your profile. You can also upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to your settings, and lastly, log out from your Spotify account. So right now, in order to be able to redeem your Spotify gift card, all you need to do, guys, is click on your profile icon, then go ahead and click on account, and this will take you to your browser. So basically, guys, right here in this page, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account. So right now, I'm going to translate this page firstly to English. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, if you scroll down, you're going to find account, payments, security and privacy, and help. Here under accounts, you're going to find manage your subscription, modify the profile, and restore playlists. And right here under payments, you're going to find order history, saved payments cards, and lastly, activate a code. So basically, guys, in order to be able to redeem your code, just click on activate a code, and this will take you to this page. So basically, guys, from here, you can redeem your Spotify code. Enter the PIN located on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code printed on the store receipt. Make sure the code is correct. Then go ahead and click on I'm not a robot. Then go ahead and click on continue. And if the code is working, you're going to be able to redeem your card. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.